welcome back to another episode on We Rebuildz. Today is going to be a different type of video. Today is just one of those videos where I'm just saying, hey, happy Veterans Day to all the members of the military, all the ones that served, all the ones that served before, after, during, just happy Veterans Day. While I was in Japan, I did a couple of cool things. One of them, I ended up getting to hike up some mountains and all of that just to, do a little workout here and there. But I did two really nice things, and one of them was went to a museum to see the whole atomic bombing that happened in, I think it's December the 6th, 1945 and December the 9th, 1945. Yes, so I went to that memorial museum, and I've also went to saw a museum, a Korean museum as well. So this video is just something that I was thinking about. I've been thinking about to do it for like maybe when I just started my YouTube channel. So today I'm making sure I finally get that video done and maybe something a little bit cool. So there are gonna be some videos of stuff that y'all will see. It's not gonna be a whole bunch of talking. So I don't know if I should put music in there, or maybe I put music in there, but not a whole, not make it not be too loud. So, but anyways, I hope y'all like it. That's what that's what I'm trying to say, is I hope y'all like the video. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for watching the channel. Don't forget to like, share this video, share this with your friends, your family, and guess what? Even the haters as well. But I like to say again, thank y'all. Happy Veterans Day. Hope y'all go out, enjoy the day. And again, happy Veterans Day. But until next time, stay positive, stay motivated, and guess what? We are out.